for Forex. Hosted by Tushar Vyas.
In this episode, F for Forex show, we will be covering how to become a Forex trader, or what type of education background you require to become a Forex trader, or what type of the skill you're supposed to be acquire to become a professional Forex trader through our experts and Forex trader. Thank you. We have our mentor, our expert, or I can say Forex guru, who will giving us insight of these questions and answers. Welcome to once again in Forex Trading. So let him introduce to himself to you.
Thank you very much for having me. Hello viewers, my name is Griffins Chedi. I'm recently fourth place in the EGM Securities Tournament that was held in the month of March to April. I'm currently an FTMO trader, and I have around 3.5 years experience in the Forex market.
So, as our viewer wanted to know exactly that what type of education or what type of things you require to start off this business or become a Forex trader actually?
Well, it depends, because if you need to trade for yourself, then you do not need any degree, I'd say. But if you want to trade for a company or an institute like a bank or a hedge fund, then they were going to look at degrees. Preferably degrees in finance, accounting, actuarial science, and math. They're going to look at people in that type of degree to pick them from. Mm-hmm. And I think they exclusively look at these people because they have the business lingo that the company itself does and speaks, like things like GDP, things like PMIs and CPOs and the popular one, the non-farm payroll. They need people to understand how to calculate, how to, trade during these markets, during the quarterlies and even the yearly. They need to look at all this fundamental analysis. But if you want to trade for yourself, then you do not need a degree. You just need you need a laptop. Well, you need internet. You're gonna have to, if you don't have internet, well, you can have bundles. You're gonna have to have capital. Okay, if you need to make good money, you need to have good capital. Okay, don't expect you have 1,000 bob, you're gonna make 1 million. No, it won't happen. If you have 1,000 bob, just go, I guess, binaries, like our previous traders who have been in this show. 1,000 bob minimum deposit, but with FX Pesa, they require minimum deposit of 10,000.
Okay.
And with EGM securities, they require a minimum of 20,000.
Okay.
Okay. And like I mentioned, the brokers, they're the top ones, and also FX Pesa in particular was the first one to be regulated by CMA. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. So basically, what you are trying to say that, what type of education does not recognize to become a Forex trader, right? There is no specific degree like engineer, doctor, or maybe Forex trader have. Okay. So basically, do you think that, this industry should have some certification to recognize themselves as a Forex trader?
If you're looking for funding, I'd say, because for an investor to have faith in someone and not think of you as a scammer, you need to have some sort of certification to prove that, hey, I'm not a scammer. I graduated here and did this. However, I don't think so, because if you have to trade for yourself, you don't need to. But if you're looking for funding, you're gonna have to show some sort of like track record or some sort of certification, so that someone can have faith in you.
So let me ask you one question also that reminds me that to become a fund manager, do you require any certification in Kenya?
In Kenya, I doubt it.
Yes.
For a private fund, for yourself, I doubt it. But I think for a higher position, I'd like to say yes. Yes, they have to filter out the many Kenyans who are looking for jobs. They have to filter out them, the desperate ones from the qualified ones. So I have to say, if you trade for an institute, they're going to have to look at your credentials.
Oh, okay. So basically, I can say there is some guidelines which
Yes.
CMA is defined to become a fund manager. I think so.
Yes.
Yes. So can you give our viewers the advice or maybe any view that to become a forex trader or become a professional in this industry, what type of step ahead they're supposed to be taken?
You're gonna need education. Okay, it does not have to be a degree. It has to be your own, mostly driven by passion. It could be online courses. It could be, self-taught, like
Okay.
you trial and error.
Yeah.
But that will be painful because you're gonna have to be spending a lot of your money,
Yeah.
just to get a lesson. But
I can see that is a painful journey also. I was a
Oh.
part of it actually, I can say that, I really spent $60,000 loss before it's become a successful forex trader, but I understand.
Yes.
Anyway, so everybody don't want to spend that much money to become
Yes.
a successful forex trader. So
Yes.
what advice you can give again?
I'd say be willing to learn, and please find a mentor. For me, in my personal journey, I found someone by the name of Remy. He's around 5 to 8, I think he's 6 years older than me. He's been in the industry a lot longer than I have, and he's helped me immensely in my losing trades, when I'm having losing streaks and you're having trading psychology that is not right to make good profit, or to become a successful trader. You're gonna need people to look at you objectively, because when you're inside, you're very biased. You're gonna say, feelings come into play, and then you start gambling. And you do not want to reach the place where you're gambling your own money. Okay, so find someone. If you cannot find someone, I'm sure it's very easy to find someone. You can just go on YouTube. There are a lot of people out there sharing information for free. Just be willing to go through the trial and error if you're going the free route. If you're going you want to pay route, okay, find a personal mentor. You can go through. I'd say Fine Eagle is a really good institute to learn. And I'd say avoid Instagram because there's a lot of fake people out there, and just look for people who are certified and people who have very good reputation in the forex industry.
Okay, as we were explaining in the previous episode that there is a lot of information on the internet and social media and everything, but sometimes it is a misleading so many people. So do you recommend any particular educator or mentor to part of your mentor in this forex industry journey?
Well, we're gonna have to go back to the whole the scam episode, because they're very plenty on Instagram. What they do is they flash their lifestyle, and then they promote a course, or they tell you to join a group. Personally, I'm lucky enough to say that I met my mentor personally. But to those people who do not have that advantage, it's gonna be very difficult for you. But I guess you're gonna have to try it and see it yourself. Okay, just be very cautious out there. There are very many people who are after your money. All right, just take care. Tafadhali, pesa ni yako. All right.
Thank you so much. I think it's a very wise advice. So basically concluded these two in the episode through your talk and speech and everything, that you have to invest in yourself. Again, you do the enough research. Look for the right mentor who is recognized by the certification or maybe CMA or something like that, and who has a very good reputation in the market. And that is our advice also, to become a right educated person in this become forex industry. Thank you so much, and thank you so much once again to your time and your efforts actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
F for Forex. Hosted by Tushar Vyas.
This is the end of our episode for F for Forex. You can watch, share, comment and subscribe our channel, and let us know in the comment below that what topic you wanted us to discuss in the next episode, and what type of challenges you have in this industry, so at least we can even capture it through the expert in the next episode. Thank you so much once again, and kindly subscribe our channel so at least we can pass the right information to you. Thank you once again.